guys, this is Julie and welcome to my channel's Julie's Journey. For today's video guys, I'm going to make a mackerel and radish in soybean paste. As you can see guys, I am blanching the fish. I am blanching the fish for maybe 1 minute to just remove or avoid the fishy thing, you know, the fishy thing, smell fishy thing like that. Wala naman siyang fishy smell. And now it's already done blanching, so I'm going to remove the fish first. And we can just leave the ginger there, we can still use that. So we'll just throw away the water, we don't need it. And then add another water for maybe 2 cups is enough. Yeah, so this is enough guys, 2 cups. And then we'll just boil this first. So yun na pala guys, I'm going to use the soybean paste. So this is the soybean paste, Chinese soybean paste. There is also a Japanese soybean paste that is better than this, but I can find it here. We don't have. I think the Japanese soybean paste you can buy it at Apita restaurant. Apita supermarket. There's no Apita supermarket close here at home, so I just bought this Chinese one. So now guys, the water is boiling. We can add the radish, or some people call this white carrot, I think. But for me, this is a radish. I just know this radish. So I'm going to add also the soybean paste together para ma-absorb siya guys. Isabay na natin sa pag-boil para ma-absorb ng radish ang soybean paste. So we'll just boil this for maybe 10 minutes before adding the fish. Yeah, 10 minutes is good enough. Yeah, so we have to stir. We used to stir first. Make sure that it's all stirred properly, and then yeah, boil 10 minutes. So I think this is good, so we can add the fish. So we'll just put it on top. Actually guys, you have a choice. You can also stir fry the radish with other thing like garlic, ginger, and then the radish is stir fry, and then you just need to add water and then the soybean paste. But for me, I just don't like the oil, so I just make like this. And this is also what my boss want. So this is done guys. So we'll just try first. Wow, tastes good, really delicious. Simple dish, but it's delicious. So this is done guys. So yeah, this is ready. And thank you for watching. God bless us all. Bye bye. Hope you like it guys.